Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging. This is essential because we are not using wireless debugging. Next, install ADB platform tools on your computer and add it to path so commands run from any folder. Once done, connect the device with a quality data USB cable and accept the RSA authorization prompt on the phone. Make sure your PC shows the device with a DB devices before moving forward. Otherwise, troubleshoot the connection now. With the device authorized, run a DB devices to confirm. Then you change the display size using a DB Shell WM size 1080x1920. Pick the pixel values you need. After that, adjust perceived scaling with a DB Shell WM density 420 to match readability versus layout. You can combine both commands in sequence and immediately observe the effect. Some apps will refresh, others need a restart. Make incremental changes. Testing common screen. Finally, reboot the device to ensure changes are applied system-wide and test multiple apps for layout issues. If you want to go back, use a DB Shell WM size reset and a DB Shell WM density reset to restore defaults immediately. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting step is checking the USB connection and ADB state. Run a DB kill server, then a DB start server, verify drivers on PC, and confirm you tapped allow on the device's RSA dialog. Only use root methods if absolutely necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.